Hello everyone, we're out here at 931 5th Court Northwest in Alabaster. If you don't have anything to do for the next hour or so, come by. We got an open house from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. It's happening right now. If you're not here, you're missing it. Come check this out.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for coming to watch. And if you have time afterwards, please feel free to check out any other videos on my channel, as well as shoot me a text or leave a comment on any of the videos. Would love to chat with you and get to know you. If you just saw that clip from my open house on Saturday, that was at 931 5th Court Northwest in Alabaster. And that was just an open house I was hosting. We got some good traction, and if you are interested more in it, I actually got a tour coming up right now after this, so I won't hold y'all up too long. But if you'd like more information on that house and what it's going for, bed and bath updates, etc., that'll all be within the tour as well. So hope y'all are excited, because I am. So without further ado, I give you 931 5th Court Northwest, Alabaster, Alabama.